The PSM II touches on some concepts from Scaled Scrum, so check the Nexus Guide. Some important things to note from the Nexus Guide is that when multiple Scrum teams are working on a product, they must frequently integrate their work into a common environment. That can be tested to ensure that the integration is done. Remember, the increment is an additive to all prior increments. The integrated increment can be reviewed in the sprint review. To do this, if there are multiple Scrum teams working on a product, they must mutually define and comply with the same definition of done. Therefore, they meet the same quality standards as a minimum and have the same basis for inspection and adaptation. This, of course, helps with transparency. In Scaled Scrum, there is one sprint review for all the Scrum teams, so multiple Scrum teams working on one product are referred to as a Nexus. So the Nexus sprint review will review an integrated increment with the stakeholders. The increment created by the Scrum teams should be integrated into a final releasable increment. If the Scrum teams present their increments in separate environments or separate code branches, then you can be sure that something isn't quite right. The increments haven't been integrated. The definition of done has not been met. The definition of done, of course, should include integrating the increments together, and this needs to be done before the sprint review so that the integrated increment can be reviewed in the sprint review.